Meet Xtool P2, the ultimate CO2 laser cutter to bring your creativity efficiency to a new level. It's super smart, powerful, and fast. With the 55-watt CO2 laser, Xtool P2 can cut 20mm transparent acrylic in one pass and enables you to create customized home decor and furniture that lights up your home. Two built-in 16MP cameras bring amazing intelligence to this machine. Easily drag your drawings to the right place you want and fill patterns on multiple objects in one batch. This largely boosts your business productivity in the busy season. Not only for flat objects, it also engraves on items with curved surfaces. With automatic surface scanning, 3D model building, and focal length adjusting, it makes engraving on curved surfaces as easy as on flat ones. It's fast and accurate. High motion accuracy always guarantees an ultra-fine result. With an enlarged bed size, it fits larger materials and can create larger projects. Want it even larger? You got it! The new pass-through feature and conveyor feeder make extra long material engraving automatic and extra easy. Here's our new riser base. It raises the machine and increases the inner height to 215 millimeters, which perfectly suits a suitcase. Oh, and our rotary engraving accessory? It brings your creative designs to tumblers, mugs, spheres, and even rings. And again, it fits perfectly with your riser base. It's safe and easy to use. Everyone can master it in minutes and make their own creation. Xtool P2 has a built-in air exhaust system. The smoke produced from laser cutting can be well exhausted. With smoke purifier, you can use it indoors without safety concerns. This is Xtool P2. Super smart, powerful, and fast.